What's the meaning of Bonfire Night? Bonfire Night. Bonfire Night.
Bonfire Night. Bonfire Night. Bonfire Night, also known as Guy Fawkes Night, is a British celebration held on November 5. It marks the failure of the Gunpowder Plot in 1605, when a group of Catholic conspirators attempted to blow up the Houses of Parliament and assassinate King James I. The tradition involves building large bonfires and setting off fireworks, depicting the gunpowder that was never used in the plot. The event has become a popular public holiday, with families and communities coming together to enjoy the displays. It is often accompanied by food, drink, and traditional activities, such as burning an effigy of Guy Fawkes on the bonfire.